All right. So if you haven't been using ChatGPT to make money online, then you're completely missing out. So I'm going to simplify this today in a way that you can start making a lot of cake almost instantaneously. But there's a catch. Everything that you will be selling or promoting easily will be over $10,000 a piece. So don't be afraid of high ticket, guys. I'm going to make this very simple. Watch this. We're going to ask ChatGPT this right here, and it's going to make some suggestions. What products and services cost over $10,000 that average people purchase often? So that's important, guys. All right, because a lot of you are like, man, a lot of people ain't gonna be able to have the money to spend $10,000. Yes, they are. Average people spend that a lot, and this is going to show us on what. Okay, so it says some products and services cost over 10K that average people may purchase. Look at this: home renovations, pool or spa, a wedding, a new roof for a house, a furnace or HVAC system. Now, I know a lot of these things on this list, some of you guys have experience with: a new car or truck, a vacation or trip, such as a cruise or safari. Tell me, guys, that average people don't spend money on this. So you're like, okay, well, how do I make money from these? It's easy. You drop service using ChatGPT and positioning yourselves as an industry authority for these things. You don't have to have any experience. Watch this. We're going to say more, please. And it's just going to give us a whole bunch of different industries with products and services that have high ticket products and services. Watch this. Look. Okay. So as you can see, jewelry, such as engagement ring, musical instruments such as a piano, a boat or recreation vehicle, new computers, professional photography, new kitchen or bathroom, heating and cooling system, a new deck. I have a student, he does construction, and he makes a lot of money. He doesn't have to do the work. What happens is he positions himself to get the leads, and he can either sell the leads or he can just, take on a job and like contract it out. You understand what I'm talking about? So now you guys have an idea. So what would you do? We're just going to go one by one, and I'm going to show you how you will make the money for these using ChatGPT. Watch this. So we're going to say home renovations. All right. So you can create something called a directory. Go to the link in the description, and it's going to give you a free trial to where you can go in there and you can have a directory built out, or I can help you with that and everything. So watch this. Look, home renovation Chicago. So what you want to do, these are paid ads. You can do that if you want to. It'll make things faster. But you want to get in here, or you want to rank right here with your site, with your directory site. So what's going to happen then? Now you're going to make partners with all of these people. They're not your competition. They're not your competitors. They're your partners. You're going to contact them, or I'm going to give you a script and you can just email them. You don't even have to get on the phone with anybody, right? Okay, you're going to tell them, I'm going to be having jobs that's coming in and I want a percentage. Very simple, guys. So these home renovations are going to be over $10,000 each. Now watch this. Then we have this right here. So I want to show you. First, we're going to see pool builder. Watch this. Pool builders. Pool building. Watch this. And I want you guys to see the cost. Watch this. How much does it cost to build a pool in Chicago? Look at this. $100,000 to $200,000 is the price range for an in-ground swimming pool. Now watch this. All right. But an above ground pool will set a homeowner about $4K to $12,000. But you can see this right here. It can be like $100,000 freaking dollars, depending on, what type of pool it is and how big it is. So I'm not making this up, guys. You can, like, all of these are over $10,000. Now, then we have this right here, a wedding. We already know wedding photography, videographers, that's high ticket. That costs a lot. But watch this. Wedding planner costs. Do you see this right here? This can be 5K to 15K. And that's just for a day or a month Man, check this out. These people are high ticket. They know what they're doing. So if you're trying to make money online, guys, it's very simple. When you go to the link in the description, it's going to take you to Build a Raw, where if you make go ahead and make a free trial, and you stay on that trial, I'm going to send you everything you need, like ads, how to make the website, how to make everything, professional, how to get partners. So all you're going to be doing is you're going to be signing up with partners. Okay. So you're going to partner with a wedding planner, and we're going to send them the leads. We're going to send them the jobs or whatever, and they're going to split it with you. This is how you make 10K per sale, guys. As you can see, look, it can be up to 5K for a day of work for some of these weddings. Watch this. Now we got a new roof, right? Now, in the industry, they call them re-roof. Okay, so we're going to see re-roof costs. Let's just say, how much does it cost to replace? Okay, so in Chicago is around 8K, pretty much close. It just depends on the size of the house and everything like that. So we'll continue. Oh, well, first you want to know how to position yourself. So you just go like this. Roof replacements. All right, boom. So if you position yourself for this right here, people will call and they will become leads. And like I told you before, if you do the exact same thing that you see the top people doing, Home Advisor, there's a directory, Angie, that used to be angieslist.com. All right. So if you position yourself and you get all of these partners, then you're always going to have someone that can do the work, and you're always going to have someone that can, partner with you. They're going to do the fulfillment, and you're going to bring in the money, baby. All right. It's super simple. Okay. So now that's roof replacement. Then we have HVAC system. We already know we don't have to do these two because we didn't seen that before, but watch this, a cruise or a safari, man. All right. So cruise costs. We're going to Miami for this one. Cruise. Miami. I didn't spell it right. Costs. Okay. Okay, guys. You can go to the sites. What's the average cost of a 7-day cruise? I guess it depends on where you're going. But this one can be 4,000 per person. It just depends, like I said, depending on the cruise line and the specific itinerary. But as you can see, man, that's super high. And who is going by themselves? So it's not going to be 4,000, flat. It's going to be like groups of 3 to 5 and all of that. So you can make like 20 grand. All right. And you just split that with the company that you partner with. Super simple. What do you think all of these other companies are doing? This is called drop servicing. They're drop servicing to these cruise ship companies. Okay. So then we come over here. We're going to look at the artwork. And this is another one. A lot of people have been using ChatGPT to figure out how to create AI artwork. And it's awesome. And they've been making a lot of money. So then we have refrigerators and washing machines. We already know the college tuitions. If you become a partner with college or a specific school that you like or something like that, we know tuition can be in the hundreds and hundreds of thousands, right? So then we got engagement ring. Watch this. We're going to take the engagement ring. We're going to go back over here, and we're going to go to Miami. We're going to stay in Miami. Watch this. Okay. We're going to put the word, cost behind it. All right. Costs. Okay. Trying to see if we can find something. Maybe we can go on the site. Yeah. Let's go on the website. So are you guys getting an idea? Let me know in the comments. Are you getting an idea how you can make $10,000 per sale, at least, break bread with these companies, right? You understand? So all you would need when you're doing stuff like this, high ticket, all you would need is 1 or 2 sales per week to change your entire life. See, guys, you guys are selling a whole bunch of low ticket stuff. You know what I'm saying? You're selling a whole bunch of low ticket products and stuff. And that's cool if you can get volume, if you can get if you have a high traffic website, or if you're real good at SEO or something, and for high volume keywords, then cool, fine. But if you're not that good at traffic, if you don't have that much money to do paid traffic or something, then you need to be positioned for keywords that when a person does finally come by, is going to change your freaking life. Look at this, a piano, grand piano. How much do you think that is? Okay. What about a boat? Okay. Let's see. Boats for sale. All right, let's see. Boats for sale. Look at these, man. This is crazy. All right, let's click on it. Now, I need you guys to pay attention, right? So if you're going to be working on commission for this type of stuff. So you're going to get a percentage. Now, you can do a hybrid model like I teach my students. Hybrid model means that you're going to get paid if somebody calls. You know, you get a little tiny payment, like 100 to 200 bucks if somebody makes a phone call, calls in to purchase it and is qualified. And you can get a percentage. Look at this, man. 154, $549,000, guys. So you're telling me you can't get a $10,000 cut off of one of these higher ticket ones. And all you have to do is be positioned for these keywords, you know, one of these type of keywords. All of these are just directory sites or listing sites. Boat Trader, that's just a listing site. You understand? And all they do is they come through here and they make partners with all of the boat dealers. And then when leads come in, they get paid from the leads and they probably get a commission if something closes. I'm trying to tell y'all the game, man. All right, look at this. A computer, electronic system, professional photography. We already know that. We talked about that. Bathroom remodel. We know that's expensive. New gates or hot tub or a sauna. All right, watch this. Patio. Let's see, patio cost, patio building. Let's see, patio builders. Okay, so we're gonna check out the cost. Let's see, just put the cost right here. Look at it, gonna bring me to the news. Wasn't trying to do that. Okay. All right, so as you can see, this can be up to 7K. It just depends on how big it is. You know what I'm saying? Look at this one, 8,900. Just depend on how big it is. Here it is right here. Look, 11,000 all the way up to $90,000. You understand what I'm talking about? It just depends. So these are all products and services that you can promote that are over $10,000 to where if you were to get one sale per week, or let alone per week, not even per week, like if you were to get one sale per month, like if I were you, I would be putting up ads and everything for all of the stuff that is on this list right here. So this is how we can use ChatGPT to make a lot of money online. Now, you're still going to have to set up everything as far as the drop service and then getting partners. Right now, AI and ChatGPT can't do that. But I do have some softwares that I can give you for free once you go ahead and sign up for the free trial below. All right. I want you to go ahead and do that. And once you stay on there, you'll have access to all of the softwares. You'll have access to everything you need to make a lot of money online with ChatGPT, social media, all of that extra stuff.